Hey guys, happy Monday. On today's video, I have some happy mail that I just got, and I have to share it with you guys. So we're opening it together, and this happy mail is from my girl Tony. She's Craft Purge on Instagram, Craft Purge on YouTube. I will have her links down below so you guys can go check her out and go subscribe and tell her that Lily sent you, because she's trying to get to 1,000 and she's gonna have a giveaway. So you guys should definitely check her out. She's amazing. But me and her did a banner swap, and these are my goodies. Oh my god, you guys are looking at this banner. It's huge. Do you see this? It's ginormous. She also sent me these two little envelopes which look like this, and I think she did a video on this one, and then there's this one, but we're gonna save these for last because I want to go through my banner. But I want to show you guys each little envelope. Look at this one, how cute. I love the colors that she chose. Look how pretty, you guys. Oh my god. Look at this. How adorable is this? Do you see how cute this is? And there's this one. Ooh, let's, careful, careful. Don't ruin my banner. Okay. And then there's the last two are this one and this huge one. Look at that. Okay, let's go back to the first one, so we can start opening the goodies. So she painted her clips. Oh, there's little samples of she painted her clips like a mint green. See that? I'm trying to think if I should put my focus up. Let me see. Then there's little, oh how cute, she clipped on like this little clip right here, like a little pom-pom clip with some trim on it. You guys see that? What a cute idea. And let's open up the first one. Oh, I think she gave me like samples of the paper. That's a good idea. I love this. I love the colors. How do you guys not like mint green and pink? Like, this is so girly and fun. And look at this clip. I don't have that clip like that. That would be my first one. Let's take this out. And we got this one. She made them 6 by 6. What paper pad is this? Can you guys see? These colors are everything. I love this. And let's do the next one. It says, one day at a time. Let's see what we got here. Oh, she made tags. Oh, I like how she stuck to the collection. Do you see that? Is it me or my lighting is it's getting gloomy outside, so my lighting's off. This is super cute, and I love the way she packaged it. And what's my next one? I think it's this one. I'll put it back together after I finish filming. Look at this one, you guys. Isn't this pretty? She even did a little stitching right here. What's in here? Oh, she made me some flowers. Is this oh my god, this is that punch that I'm looking for. She made me a bunch of the little pieces so that I can put them together. Oh, I am playing with this tonight. I am obsessed with that punch, and I need it in my life, and I can't find it anywhere. It's the Maggie Holmes flower punch. Oh my god, thank you so much for that, Tony. You're freaking amazing. Tony's one of my good friends. I talk to Tony a lot. She's super funny, and I think that since our first swap, we totally clicked. We laugh so much. Say yes to new adventures. Look at her packaging, you guys. Look at this. These are the cutter parts. I totally feel like I have this collection now, even though I don't have this paper pad. Look at that. I love it. I love it. Happy Mail, you guys, makes Mondays 10 times better. Oh, what's this? Oh my God, look at these cute little bunnies. I need to fix my focus so that you guys can see the cuteness of this. Look at their faces. Oh my God, this is so cute. I can't even deal. Do you guys see this? Oh my God, where'd you get these? Oh my God, these are so cute. I love these. Oh, I'm not going to be able to share those with anybody. Those are totally mine. Totally mine. And these clips are freaking adorable. I'm telling you, you guys, she knows me. Do you guys see the colors that she chose? You know why she chose those colors, right? Because she knows me. Oh my God, they're so pretty. So cute. You get it? So cute. Oh, girl, I love this. Oh my God, they're so pretty. And then we have the big one here. This is ginormous. So huge. Ooh, she made me some rosettes. Look at that. And then she put the, I want to do that when I do like my little packaging. I want to put the sequins inside because I haven't done it yet. Look at those. How pretty. You guys, my lighting, I feel like it's so off. And if it is, I'm so sorry. Why do I feel like it's not focusing? You see them? How cute. Look at that. And I don't know if you can see the, but now you can probably see it better. Look at the colors. Oh my God, this package is amazing. And we're not even done. We have like 2 packages more. Look at this. 2 more. I have to make one of these. I put it on my to-do list. She did a tutorial on this. And I want to totally make one. Especially a big one like this. What? Look, you guys. She sent me that bling that I was looking for. Oh, now I got a bunch. And look at these stickers. I've never seen these. These are super cute. Look at that coffee cup. You guys know I love me some coffee. I cannot go without having coffee. Coffee is life. And that's like for me and my wife, because she can't be without her coffee. We be 2 grumpy girls up in here. Look at this. This is the one I'm going to open right now. I'm trying not to ruin the rosette because I hate doing that. So let's see. Ooh. Looky, looky. Some Easter goodies and a pack of little felt bunnies. How cute is this? Oh my God, I feel so spoiled. Thank you so much, Tony. Oh my God, I love everything. You're freaking the bomb. I love it. I love it. I love it. I can't wait for you to get your package. I have something special for you, girly. And yeah, you guys, that's it for my video. It's my beautiful, amazing swap from my friend Tony. Definitely go check her out. You guys need to go subscribe. And yeah, don't forget to thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that bell to be notified when I upload a new video, which I've been uploading daily. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.